Hi, so here we have an OBDStar G3, recently released an immobilizer programming device. This piece of hardware, as I said, has just been released and can also support extended functions such as ECU cloning, airbag crash data reset, and odometer. But what we're going to focus on is the core functions as an immobilizer device. So within the package, you obviously get the actual OBDStar unit itself. You get an OBD plug, power adapter, and within this part, you get an EEPROM programmer, a multifunction programmer. And now what this is used for is this is to connect things like your EEPROM programmer, and also for additional functions. If you were to buy, let's say, a Mercedes-Benz adapter to program Mercedes-Benz keys, that would be used with this. So this is like an additional box which allows additional functionality. You also get some jumper cables, which when you're pinning out onto modules is useful. Another set of jumper cables as well. You get a ZIF style EEPROM adapter. And finally, you get a P004 adapter, which is very common within the OBDStar devices, which is used for reading data from modules. So we'll boot up the device and we'll have a little look at what's on there.